How to copy messages from Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can copy messages from Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to launch Messenger application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your preferred account. After that, you have to select the chat from where you would like to copy the messages from. So for example, I have this chat right here. So once you're on this chat, again select the message that you want to copy. If you tap and hold on to that messages, you will have various options. As you can see, there is an option for copy. So simply tap on copy, and with that, now the messages has been copied to your clipboard, and now you can paste it anywhere or send it to some other contacts. So that's the way to copy messages from Messenger, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.